Cadillac. Rust. Hidden pleasures of Houstonville. Well, there's the damage. Just cleaning it up so we can weld a new piece in. Lots of work. Lots of work. Most of this backside's done. Still got work to do, but it's coming. See ya. Perfect. Welcome back to Dollar Story Time, where we're going to talk about butts and holes and how to put the butts with the holes and then fill the butts up. Anywho, some of you already know what these are. These are butt weld keeper things. There's probably a better name for them. You put your product in here. Well, let me set this up for you. Okay, so you've got your little butt weld job here. You just slip that end over the existing crappy slash okay-ish metal, like so. And then your new piece will slip into this little gap right there. And then you tighten her down. So let me slip this little piece in here. Probably fail a million times. And then go from there. Like so. Alright. Take it from here because I don't know what I'm doing.